Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Let's Fix This. In this episode we're going to go over it's a Whirlpool Maytag dryer that will not turn on, and we'll show you how we find what's wrong with this. So first thing we check is door switch. We look in, we see we have light, so we know we have power. Door switch is working. That's one of the main things that causes a dryer not to start is bad door switch or broken. So we're going to go back, make sure that we have the right voltage. This is an electric dryer, so we do need to make sure that we have 240 volts. There we can see we've got 240, so we're going to go ahead and remove the back of the dryer to access the fuses. Most common part on this dryer is this thermal fuse, and we're going to check that for continuity. I'm going to go ahead and use the sound portion of this. So we're going to go across both sides, and it's an open circuit, but there's no sound. You can hear when I put my leads together, it beeps and makes a sound. No sound. If you were to look on the ohm meter, you would see that it was open. This is your high limit thermostat thermal fuse, and then this is your high limit thermostat. Both of those, if either one of them is out, it can cause it not to heat, but it would not keep it from turning on. So we're going to go ahead and replace this thermal fuse. Some dryers, this thermal fuse only controls the heat, and some of it actually keeps the dryer from turning on at all. This particular model is turning on, so if you have one that's not heating, I do have a video just like this for not heating. The same parts replaced. So we're going to kick this on. You can see the lint come blowing out of the blower there. So we know the dryer's fixed. Some things you want to watch for is a clogged vent. Can cause this fuse to go out, or a shorted or grounded heating element can cause this fuse to go out. So once you've replaced that fuse, make sure you check the venting, make sure you check the element. You don't want to put a fuse in, then run the dryer again and have it go out. Well, thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly videos on how to fix your own appliances.